The revision feature in QuoteWerks enables you to open a saved quote, make changes, and then save it as a revision. This is particularly useful on complex quotes that require multiple versions to be created. What makes saving a quote as a revision different from doing a save as is that QuoteWerks will automatically save the quote revision with a new quote number that has either a numeric or alpha suffix like -01 or -a. To create a revision, click on the revision icon on the standard toolbar. This opens the Save As Revision dialog. Here you can delete the previous revision and/or update the document's expiration date. It is generally not recommended to delete the previous revision, as the point of creating revisions is to have a history of changes on a particular document. Click OK to create the new revision. You'll notice that the document now has a new suffix indicating it is a revision of the original quote. Now you can make changes to the document, and when you save it, those changes will be included in the revision. If you click on View and then Associated Documents, you can view all revisions of the original document and open them if you'd like to review them. As you can see, creating document revisions is easy, and doing so can help you keep track of changes across quote versions. If you have questions or would like to learn more, please see our help files or contact the team at 407-248-1481.